This is Fishing with Carl Wheezer. Welcome back to another video. Today we are absolutely slaying the fish. There's so many to count, so you'll probably need to, keep tally so you don't lose count. So many channels. And speaking of channels, Jimmy's mom should subscribe to my channel just so she can see the impressive amount of fish that I'm catching, because it's actually insane. Nobody can stop the Wheezster. Yet another amazing channel catfish on the line. Check that out, maybe 2 pounds straight into the water, back where he goes. And as you can see, I have another bobber out there. I'm trying to catch some bass, but these channels are sufficing. I like whatever bites, to be honest. And finally, a TLMB, a Texas largemouth bass. Now, it wasn't everything, but it was a pretty big one. And another channel, good 1.5 pounder, and the first one of the night. Amazing.
Quick beetle intervention.
And for the double up, you guys can see we're catching so many channels right now. Now, this one was pretty big. Dare I say, massive.
And do you know what else is massive?